All in favor of electing Karen Bass as Speaker of the California State Assembly, say aye. Aye. Those opposed? The ayes have it. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Speaker-elect of the California State Assembly, Ms. Karen Bass.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is an amazing moment. Members, thank you so much for your vote of faith and confidence in me as your next speaker. I especially appreciate the support from the outstanding men and women who demonstrated their dedication to this institution, the State Assembly, in their own campaigns for Speaker. And to our current Speaker, who has consistently demonstrated his commitment to promoting the diversity of California, I am proud to have his support and look forward to working with him in this next period. And to my Republican colleagues and your leader, Michael Valines, I appreciate and I'm proud to have your support. To all of my colleagues, I am deeply honored and deeply humbled by the trust you have placed in me. Please know that I will work to be deserving of that trust every single day I serve as your Speaker. It is a coincidence that this vote coincided with the planned celebration of African American History Month, but it is a wonderful coincidence because I have always been aware that I am here today because I stand on the shoulders of those who came before, those leaders and trailblazers that we will pay tribute to today. We are all bracing ourselves for the crisis that we face in our state, and I look forward to spending my time as your next speaker. It's going to take me a while. Harnessing the power that is represented in this room and meeting the challenge we face and we will solve together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.